We're here in the new American Remodel. I'm here with Jeff Dordick. Jeff, first of all, this house looks incredible. Talk to me about your involvement in it.
Well, we worked with Phil Kane and his design staff to bring some life into the house. So we've got the beams throughout the house, and then on the exterior of the house, we have faux corbels and we have faux beams on the exterior, and we also have faux tongue and groove. One of the things about using faux materials is it's not going to rot on you, it's not going to attract insects, and it's going to last for years to come, as opposed to real wood that's going to split, crack, not weather very well.
Great. What's the biggest challenge when you're doing a remodel?
Well, the biggest challenge with doing the remodel is obviously you can't build the ceilings to accommodate the beams, so you have to conform the beams to the ceiling. So in this particular case, you have a lot of miters coming into the ceiling. So that would be a challenge for them.
Why would you tell people that they actually have to come to the remodel to see everything, all the products, when they're actually together and working together?
Well, you want to see how they interface with all the materials. You've got wallpaper here, you've got a lot of different colors interacting with each other, different materials, so it interacts very well. You can't really see that by looking at either a picture or a photograph. You really have to come visit the house and take a look at it, see it for yourself.
Why do people need to come to the International Builders Show? There's so many people now that watch videos online and they say, I don't actually have to go there and be there. Let's talk about why you actually have to come.
If you look at the people that are around here, there's a lot of gray-haired people that have a lot of wealth of knowledge. And one of the best things about coming to IBS is the interaction and the knowledge that you gain from each other that you can't get sitting in your home or sitting in your office.
Exactly. So you heard it here from Jeff. Come on out to the new American Remodel. It's absolutely gorgeous, and you can just lie in the bed and stare at the beams.